Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video we are talking about is aeroplane mode done for Monopoly Go. First of all, we should know that what's new with aeroplane mode. So if you have noticed something off with aeroplane mode glitch, you are not alone. The game's latest update changed how it's work, especially when you try to adjust the multiplayer. Now instead of getting the some predictable rolls, the sequence shift entirely when you change the multiplayer. This has been causing some confusion and I have been experiencing too. While I was working on finding a solution, my APM suddenly starting behaving normally again. It's unpredictable at point, so I'm holding off on releasing a full guide until I confirm a consistent method. However, if you have two devices and a VPN, you might still able to use APM, but it's a bit tricky. That's all for now. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.